Nerve damage can significantly impact our daily lives, affecting our mobility, sensation, and overall well-being. Whether caused by injury, illness, or underlying conditions, finding ways to promote nerve healing is crucial for those seeking relief and improved quality of life. While various factors contribute to nerve damage, including medical treatments and lifestyle choices, exploring the role of nutrition in this process can be enlightening. Certain foods are believed to have properties that can support nerve health and aid in the recovery of damaged nerves. In this video, we will show you 10 foods that heal nerve damage. Before we continue with the list, make sure to subscribe to Healthy Lab and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our new videos. Every subscriber is much appreciated. So, let's start. 10. Legumes. Legumes are not just a staple in many cuisines around the world, they also offer numerous health benefits. One particularly impressive advantage of legumes is their potential to aid in the healing of nerve damage. They are excellent sources of B vitamins such as thiamine, niacin, and folate. These vitamins play a vital role in nerve function and can help support the health of your nervous system. Thiamine, in particular, is essential for nerve signal transmission and can aid in repairing damaged nerves. Additionally, legumes are packed with antioxidants, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and protecting nerve cells from oxidative stress. The antioxidants present in legumes, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing cellular damage and promoting nerve repair. 9. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are not just a tasty snack but also packed with essential nutrients that can aid in nerve regeneration and repair. These tiny powerhouses are an excellent source of vitamin E, which is known for its antioxidant properties. In addition to vitamin E, sunflower seeds are also an excellent source of essential fatty acids, particularly omega-6 fatty acids. These fats play a crucial role in maintaining the health and integrity of nerve cells. By consuming sunflower seeds, you provide your body with the necessary building blocks to repair damaged nerves and promote their regeneration. Additionally, these fatty acids possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate the pain and discomfort associated with nerve damage. In addition to their nutritional content, sunflower seeds also contain a compound called phosphatidylserine. This natural substance has been found to enhance nerve cell function and promote nerve growth. Studies have shown that phosphatidylserine can contribute to the repair of damaged myelin sheaths, the protective covering of nerve fibers. 8. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are not just vibrant and delicious additions to our meals, they also have amazing health benefits, including their potential to help heal nerve damage. Bell peppers are an excellent source of vitamin B6, which plays a crucial role in nerve function and repair. This particular vitamin is involved in the production of neurotransmitters, which are essential for transmitting signals between nerve cells. Additionally, bell peppers contain capsaicin, a compound responsible for their spicy taste. Capsaicin has been studied for its potential analgesic properties, meaning it may help reduce pain. Research suggests that capsaicin can desensitize nerve receptors, thus decreasing their sensitivity to pain signals. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with nerve damage, as it may provide relief from the chronic pain often associated with the condition. 7. Lemon. Lemons, with their rich content of vitamins and antioxidants, can play a vital role in promoting nerve regeneration and supporting overall neurological health. They are packed with powerful antioxidants, including vitamin C, which is essential for repairing and regenerating tissues. This citrus fruit also contains bioflavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce swelling and pain associated with nerve damage. By consuming lemons regularly, you may be able to support your body's natural healing mechanisms and expedite the recovery process. One of the most significant benefits of lemons is their ability to detoxify the body. Toxins and free radicals can accumulate in our system, impairing the function of our nerves. Lemons possess detoxifying properties that help cleanse the body and eliminate these harmful substances. By doing so, they create an environment conducive to nerve repair and regeneration. 6. Avocado. Avocado has gained significant popularity in recent years for its numerous health benefits. One of the lesser-known advantages of this versatile fruit is its potential to help heal nerve damage. Avocados are packed with essential nutrients that promote nerve health. They are an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. These healthy fats play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity and flexibility of cell membranes, including those of nerve cells. By reducing inflammation, oleic acid helps to create an optimal environment for nerve repair and regeneration. Another remarkable compound found in avocados is called luteolin. Luteolin is a flavonoid with potent anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties. Studies have shown that luteolin can inhibit the production of inflammatory molecules in the body and reduce nerve cell death. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice, boasts a rich history in traditional medicine for its remarkable health benefits. Among its many acclaimed advantages, turmeric has garnered considerable interest for its potential in aiding nerve damage recovery. Turmeric is known for its remarkable healing properties, thanks to its active compound called curcumin. Curcumin has been widely researched for its therapeutic effects on various health conditions, and its role as a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent cannot be understated. When it comes to nerve damage, curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties are particularly valuable. Inflammation is a primary contributor to nerve damage, as it can cause the deterioration of nerve cells and disrupt their normal functioning. By mitigating inflammation, curcumin creates an ideal environment for nerve regeneration and repair to take place. Curcumin has been found to enhance the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that plays a crucial role in promoting nerve growth and survival. Low levels of BDNF have been linked to nerve damage and neurodegenerative diseases. 4. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is more than just a delightful indulgence, it boasts a wide range of health benefits. One particularly intriguing area is its potential to assist in the healing of nerve damage. It contains compounds called flavonoids, specifically flavonols, which have been extensively studied for their potential health benefits. Flavonols have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which are crucial for combating oxidative stress and reducing inflammation in the body. Dark chocolate also contains minerals such as magnesium and copper, which are essential for nerve health. Magnesium plays a vital role in nerve function and has been found to have a positive impact on neuropathic pain management. Copper, on the other hand, is involved in the production of myelin, a protective covering around nerve fibers. 3. Spinach. When it comes to nourishing our bodies and promoting overall health, we often overlook the power of certain foods. One such food that deserves recognition for its incredible healing properties is spinach. This leafy green vegetable, packed with essential nutrients, has been proven to aid in the healing of nerve damage. Spinach contains a high concentration of vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and overall nerve health. This vital vitamin aids in the production of myelin, a protective sheath around nerve fibers that ensures proper nerve signal transmission. By ensuring an adequate supply of vitamin K, spinach promotes the regeneration of damaged nerves, ultimately facilitating the healing process. Another remarkable nutrient found in spinach is folate, also known as vitamin B9. Folate is crucial in maintaining and repairing DNA and RNA, the genetic material within our cells, and it plays a vital role in the regeneration of damaged nerve tissues. 2. Salmon. Salmon, a delicious and nutritious fish, has long been praised for its numerous health benefits. Recent studies have also shown that salmon can play a vital role in healing nerve damage. One of the primary reasons why salmon is beneficial for nerve damage is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Furthermore, the omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon are crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of nerve cells. When myelin is damaged, nerve communication becomes disrupted, leading to various neuropathic symptoms. Omega-3 fatty acids play a vital role in the production and maintenance of myelin, promoting healthy nerve function and aiding in the repair process. 1. Berries. Berries have been found to help in healing nerve damage, offering a natural and delicious solution to those seeking relief. They are known to improve blood circulation due to their high content of flavonoids. These compounds help dilate blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow throughout the body, including to damaged nerves. Improved blood flow ensures that essential nutrients and oxygen reach the affected areas, facilitating the healing process and aiding in nerve repair. Certain berries, such as blackberries and mulberries, contain neuroprotective compounds like resveratrol and ellagic acid. These substances have been found to promote the growth and survival of nerve cells, while also protecting them from further damage. Nerve damage can significantly disrupt our daily lives, compromising our movement, sensation, and overall functionality. To restore our well-being and reclaim a high quality of life, it is crucial to explore different methods of promoting nerve healing. Some foods are known to possess unique properties that can aid in nerve health and help repair damaged nerves. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.